Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 20 advanced English words beginning with letter I. Infortune. This means to pester somebody for something, to ask somebody for something repeatedly in an annoying manner. Example: the baker had importuned the man for money. Impoverish. This means to make somebody poor. Example: the government's recent tax policy is likely to impoverish the middle class income earners. Secondly, it means to reduce the quality of something. Example: the soil has become impoverished. Impudence. This means rude and disrespectful, not showing respect for other people, especially to people older or in a higher position than you. Example: calling your boss an ingrate is the height of impudence. An impudent young man. Immiscible. This means of liquids that cannot be mixed together because they cannot blend well. Example: water and oil are immiscible. That means they cannot blend well when mixed together. Imminence. This means of something, especially something bad, that is likely to happen soon. Example: these animal species are in imminent danger of extinction. Immutable. This means something that can never be changed. Unchangeable. Example: the immutable existence of history. The immutable reality of nature. Impede. Impede means to delay or hinder the progress or development of something. Example: malnutrition often impedes the enjoyment of good health for people. Impetuous. This means acting or doing something quickly without considering the likely consequences. Example: that response was rather impetuous. An impetuous young man. Impolitic. This means not wise. Example: it would be impolitic to refuse his juicy offer. An impolitic man. Implausible. This means not seeming reasonable or likely to be true. Example: everybody knew that his claims were implausible. That means his claims were not true. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you. Icily. This means said or done in a very unfriendly way. Example: the waitress icily dropped the plate in front of Isaac. Ignominious. This means disgraceful and causing shame that makes or should make you feel ashamed. Example: Collins does not want to remember his ignominious performance at the interview. Illegible. This means of writing difficult or impossible to read. Example: I couldn't read his illegible letter. Ill-timed. This means done or happening at the wrong time. Example: Mary's visit to the bank was ill-timed. That means she went at the wrong time. This discussion is rather ill-timed. Ill-fitting. This means not the right size or shape of something. Example: I can't wear these ill-fitting shoes. Incendiary. This means a device that is designed or made to cause fire. Designed to cause fire. Example: The government totally condemns the recent incendiary attack on the school. Indelible. This means something that cannot be forgotten or removed. Something that is permanent. Example: The event has left an indelible memory on me. He made an indelible mark on his palm. Indigent. This means very poor. The person who is very poor. Example: This money is earmarked to assist 50 indigent students. An indigent old woman. Infallible. This means true and that can never be wrong. Example: Linda always appreciates the infallible advice of her mother. Ineligible. This means not having the necessary qualifications to have or to do something. Example: You are ineligible for this scholarship. That means you do not have the qualification to get the scholarship. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.